With no kneading, no oven, I will show you how to make this very soft, tasty and beautiful looking croissants using very minimal ingredients. Ready in no time. This is very easy to make, way easier than you think. Hi guys, it's Chef Sue and let's get started. Add half a cup of warm water to a bowl, then add in 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of yeast and mix properly. You're going to need to mix this till the sugar and yeast is very well dissolved. Then go in with 2 cups of flour and add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I forgot to add the salt at this point. So go ahead and scrape off your spatula or whatever you're using and use your hands to mix properly. The good thing about this recipe is that it doesn't require serious kneading. I added my salt at this point and mixed till well combined till it all came together. You don't need to knead too much. As soon as it forms a smooth dough, you're good. Just make sure you're using a very good yeast. Next, I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of butter and mix a bit more. Mix till all the butter goes into the dough. So our dough is all ready. Go ahead and wrap with a plastic wrap. Make sure it's well covered so that it'll proof properly. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, here is what we have. Clearly it's risen up a bit, so I'll punch it a bit and take it out. I'll place my dough on my work surface and form this long log-like shape. I'll flatten a bit with my palms, add a bit of flour, then I will flip, add some more flour, and I'm going to roll flat and wide. Guys, I'd like to know what you think about my videos. Generally, I'd like to know what kind of videos you'd like me to make in the comments below, and I will do that for you. I'd also like to know where you're watching my videos from. So I'll trim off the edges this way to get a finer and neater dough. I'll go ahead and roll a bit more wider and flatter, and I'll cut this way into this long triangular shape, just like this. I'll go ahead and fold this way tightly from the wider side of the triangle. So fold gently and tight. This is what we have. Looks so pretty. So go ahead and roll the remaining this way. Please roll tightly so that it doesn't open up while frying in the oil. Repeat the process till you've rolled everything. After rolling, place in a baking paper this way, then cover and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's risen and it's time to fry. Gently place them all in your oil and fry on medium to low heat on each side till well brown. Then flip and fry on the other side. Make sure your oil isn't too hot. If it's too hot, your croissants will end up brown on the outside and uncooked on the inside. Go ahead and take out of the oil. And look at what we have. Look how beautiful these look. These are so good and it doesn't soak up oil at all. These are perfect for breakfast. You can have this with tea or juice, or you can coat this with some sugar, or just take this however you'd like. Look how soft this is. It's bouncy, like it's literally going back to its original shape. With no oven or kneading, you can achieve this yummy goodness. I made a milk glaze for mine. I'm going to glaze my croissants with this. You can use chocolate or whatever you'd like. These were so good and my family loved it and asked for more. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.